Hello and welcome to Radio O. This is the only radio program not on the radio.
We have just received an email from Jean-Paul Goatbeard. He writes,
We are 3 out of work men from the West Midlands. We want to know how to enter the London boat race.
always seems to be Oxford and Cambridge in the final.
P.S. We don't actually have a boat, but we do have an upturned kitchen table.
With 2 empty beer cans strapped to the side.
What do you think our chances are?
Our response to this is go for it.
Keep those questions coming in. And remember,
Radio O, where nothing is good.